Hey guys, it's your boy Cash King in the building. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. And this is going to be a weekly analysis. This is on NAS 100, aka NQ, aka MNQ. So let's get straight into that. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna mark up my high and I'm gonna mark up my low, our recent low. So this is my recent high. Mark that up, label it, because you always want to label up your zones. And I'll mark up my recent low, which is right here, and I'm going to stretch that over to the left because we have some rejection over here, right? And I'm gonna label that as well. All right, low. Put this at the bottom because I like it at the bottom. It's at the bottom, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm also going to find the direction of NAS, which I think I found it already, but I'm gonna mark it up. I'm going to do this. Let me use the trend line. Let's use the trend line, right? Boom, boom, right here. We are in the downtrend because all I see is lower lows, lower high, lower high, lower high, etc. Right? So at one point, it looks like the market was ranging here, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and put this as range. I'll put this at the top. Also, I'm going to make this a little darker. Okay, so at one point price was ranging, right? But also following this trend line as well. So that's two things that I can use for confluence, right? So price is ranging. This box, boom, 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 right? And when price broke out of the box, it pulled right back into the box. And then that's when we got out of that range and we started dropping, correct? So, okay. And let's go to the lower time frame because I want to also mark up some areas where price could reject as well. So what I can probably see NAS doing this week is if price drop past this level, I'm gonna mark this up too. If price past this support, because this is support now because price is above it, right? And if it passes support, I can see price starts to drop here. I also want to mark this up. It could come to this level here, which I've been saying this for a while now. If you go look at some of my videos, even my weekly analysis, I've been saying this for a long time, that I'm expecting price to come all the way down here or even further than that. Could come down here because there is some fair value gaps in here. It can close one of these fair value gaps and it can also push right back up, right? But I'm still seeing that bearish pressure. But what I can expect NAS to possibly do is if it comes above this resistance zone, right? If it comes above here, I could see it tap right back into this range. And once it tap into this range and also the trend line, I can also see it pushing right back down to finally close the gap that it made, correct? So I think NAS is definitely in a bearish direction, and I think for it to turn bullish, it'd have to come somewhere in here to continue that push up because overall, NASDAQ is definitely an uptrend. We didn't break no weekly higher lows. So all I'm seeing right now is a pullback, and I think that's what price is definitely doing. I see price pulling back to this area, and possibly it could come a little bit lower, but who knows? But I think a pullback right here is perfect for it to continue to push right back up and break that new high and continue going up. We also have some news this week. Monday, we have ISM manufacturing PMI. We have some job openings. We have ADP non-farm employment change, orange folders, which is not really that important, but it can still move the market a little bit. Thursday, we have unemployment claims, and Friday, we have average hourly earnings, NFP unemployment rate, right? So I feel like this week definitely going to do some numbers. Yeah, that's all I got, guys. It's your boy Cash King. Like, comment, and subscribe. Your boy's out.